This is Hannah Elizabeth Moller at 2 months in her crib, in her bedroom. Hannah. Are you saying something, Hannah? What is it, Hannah? What are you saying? Are you talking to the seahorse? Are you talking to the seahorse? Or are you saying something for Grandma and Grandpa? Can you show me your pretty smile? Can you show me your pretty smile? Come on, baby. Hannah. Hannah. Show me your pretty smile, baby. Come on. I know you can smile. I know. You just smiled earlier. Come on, Hannah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Hannah. Hannah. Come on, baby, smile. Hannah. Hannah. Yes, I can see a little smile there. I can see it. I can see it. Hannah. Hannah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Are you getting hungry, Hannah? How do you like your new crib? How do you like your new place to sleep? Oh, not too much? Maybe a little? Hannah. Hannah. Can I see that pretty smile of yours? Can I see it? Hannah. Hannah. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. Hey, baby. I can see that. I can see it. Yes. I can see it. A little smile there. Good job. Good job. Hannah. Okay. Good night, baby. Good night. Bye-bye.